Hello, everybody. This is Dee from Dee's Cute and Crafty, and I am back with two new summer decor pieces for you today. I promised you pineapple and ladybugs. So that's what we're going to be making. They came out really nice, and I'm so excited to show you. I will be using my apple barrel in bright red, my Hello Hobby in black, various ribbons from my stash, a Dollar Tree faux tile piece, a Chanel stem, a Dollar Tree medallion, and it's a wreath medallion, and a Dollar Tree Home Sweet Home sign, and some leftover MDF. So I'm desperately trying to scrape all of this paper off the sign. I was going to just wet it, but I didn't think the water would penetrate it because it has a plastic shiny coating on top of the paper. So I scraped off as much as I could. Then I just covered it in craft paper and covered it over. I just covered it with the craft paper, flipped it over, and painted the back in my black paint. I also painted the wreath medallion in the black paint as well to make the head and the body of the ladybug. Now I'm going to take my staple gun and staple those two pieces together. This was really very easy to make. It's very reminiscent of the bumblebee. You could also do this in a butterfly or a dragonfly. The sky's the limit. You can make all kind of little cute summer bugs for your home decor if you're into that. So I took my red paint and I gave this faux tin tile 3 coats. It took that much to get it nice and covered the way that I want it. And I just eyeballed it, cut it down the middle, and I'm going to glue these two pieces to the body to make the wing. We're working on the wings right now. There is a gap at the top, but that won't matter because we're going to cover it up. So now I'm going in with a permanent marker from Dollar Tree and making all my little dots. And I'm going to take my apple barrel white paint and paint this little piece of MDF. It was left over from one of their signs that looked like a picket fence. So it worked out perfectly. I didn't have to do anything to it but get it out my stash and paint it. Now I'm going to take my Chanel stem and form it to make the antenna for my little ladybug. She is coming to life. It was so hard for me not to dry brush those wings in white. I It took everything. It took everything for me not to do it because I like to distress everything. But I decided to just leave this one alone. So I added my antenna using hot glue and masking tape. It is very secure and I love doing that. And we're just going to make this tag very simple. We're just going to write the word hello. Do that in pencil so you can fix any mistakes you might make before going in with your permanent marker and making it permanent. Welcome to anybody new that's here today that clicked on my channel. Thank you for choosing Dee's Cute and Crafty. Welcome to the channel. I hope you like what you see and you will consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell as well so you never miss out on another another cute and crafty DIY with Dee. I'm so excited I can't talk. Welcome back to my old subscribers, the ones that have been with me from the very beginning. I love you so much. Thank you for coming back. So now I'm going to take my ribbon and make a messy bow. This red ribbon came from either Walmart or Joann's. This polka dot came from Dollar Tree. The lace came from Dollar Tree. And the buffalo chuck with the little pom-poms down the side came from Hobby Lobby. I haven't been there in a while. I've got to get back over there and see what they have. I'm so busy packing for my Virginia Beach trip. Oh my goodness. I just got back from my Orlando trip for my birthday with Howard, and now I'm doing a family vacay with the kids and their significant others in Virginia Beach next month. So I got about 3 weeks. So I'm going to try to bust out as much content as I can for you guys so you have something to watch while I'm away. So I'm just going to tie my messy bow together, do the X formation, spread it out, make sure you can see all the different kinds of ribbon, and then tie it off with some jute cord, pop that little sunflower, and those came from Dollar Tree, pop that little sunflower in the middle, and she's done. Jute cord on the back, she's ready to be displayed. And here she is. Very easy and absolutely adorable. You guys comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite of the two that I'm bringing you today. This one is my favorite. I love her, and I hope you guys do too. Moving on to DIY number two, I'll be using this sunflower ribbon from Walmart. I have a mason jar from Dollar General, some jute cord, and greenery from my stash. I'm going to take my little screwdriver and remove this lid. It was actually screwed on and glued on, so I had to pop it off. And then I'm going to remove this metal hanger from the back as well, and that sticker. You guys, this DIY for pineapple was a request from my friend Kara at work. She asked for a door hanger, so this is what I came up with using what she gave me to match her home. So I'm going to take this sunflower ribbon and we're just going to dab a little bit of glue at the top. I just eyeballed the ribbon. I didn't measure it. I just made it longer than the actual mason jar so that I can fold it over the bottom. You are not going to glue the center of this ribbon. You're going to glue the top. You're going to glue the bottom. We're going to leave the center of the ribbon open because we're going to be doing a basket weave. So now I'm just going to hot glue my bottom pieces of ribbon down. And then we'll weave those pieces in between, over, under, in and out, however you want to say it. We're going to do a weave, and this gives this pineapple texture and dimension and cuteness. But Kara requested a pineapple. She requested bright colors. She requested flowers, flip-flops, and a sign that says, "Happy summer, y'all." So this is what I came up with to incorporate all of her wishes into this sign for her door. I think it came out really cute. I hope you guys do too. And we're not worried about the back of the sign because you're not going to see it. And I'm just going to hot glue those corners down. They were kind of boxy, so I wanted to round them out. Just going to run a bead of glue and just get my greenery glued down the top of that pineapple. This could actually be a standalone piece if you cover the back and you can write, summer vibes on the front, do a little tag or something like that on the front. And it would just be cute if you do pineapple decor. But I thought this would be absolutely gorgeous on this door hanger. So I'm going to take my jute cord. I'm just going to wrap it around. If you cut your greenery nice and neat, you don't really need the jute cord. I like the jute cord to cover up my greenery and to give it a little bit more texture. So now we're getting into the actual sign. I'm going to be using this Squeeze the Day round sign from Dollar Tree. I am not, I am not fighting with all that glitter and no. So I am just going to cover it right off the rip from the beginning with craft paper. That is too much glitter. So I painted it white after I got the back covered, and then I took the garden sign also from Dollar Tree. I covered that with craft paper as well. And I'm just going to put the hanger back on, and then I painted it white. This gives me a base to work with. And I am going to give my pineapple some lift or dimension by adding these large tower blocks that I got from Dollar General. Just going to add those blocks to the back so that the pineapple stands up. These are the flowers that I chose. I thought that the yellow and pink were really pretty. And since I had those leftover flip-flops from my flip-flop DIY, I did a video making those. I showed you guys how I do the MDF cutting and designing and drawing and all the things that I do when I make my own pieces. I have a video up, so please go back and watch that if you missed it. So when I made those flip-flops, I made a couple extra pair, and I'm glad I did because she requested flip-flops, so I'm going to use them. So I'm just going to make a bow. I'm making my loops the way I like to do. I got this blue ribbon from Hello Hobby. Hello Hobby. That's the paint. I got this ribbon from Hobby Lobby, you guys. Oh my gosh. And we're just going to stack it and tie it off with some jute cord and then fluff out those loops. Now, I didn't make any tails for this one because it was covering up the pineapple too much. Just doing a little bit of fluffing. This blue ribbon is very pretty. It's very spring and summer. I really like it. Just going to take my awl or something sharp and pointy and make two little holes on the side so that I can thread that jute through and tie this bow on. I like to tie on my bows, if at all possible, just so I know they're secure and they're not going anywhere. And now I took my smaller sign and I wrote, "Happy Summer, y'all." I did that in pencil, and now I'm just going back with my Sharpie, making it nice and crisp. And this is where it went a little bit left. When I attached my hanging sign to the round sign, it's not straight. So it makes the pineapple look crooked when actually the sign is crooked on the bottom. So you'll see that when I show you the glam shot of this DIY, but in the reveal, I fixed it. I had to take that apart and redo it because I can't give her the sign if it's crooked, and I can't look at it if it's crooked. It was driving me nuts. My OCD would not have. So I, yeah, it's sitting to the side, but I did fix it. I just hot glued those little blue flip flops to the bottom of that sign. So I did incorporate everything that Kara asked for. I think it turned out cute. I hope she loves it as much as I do. And in the reveal of both pieces, you'll see that the pineapple is straight because this was not acceptable. I kind of leaned my head to the side while I'm looking at him going, what is wrong with this? And then I realized it's not really the pineapple. The sign is not right. So here it is, you guys, all nice and straight. It's not making me crazy anymore. But these are the two summer decor pieces that I have put together for you. And again, I hope you like them as much as I do. Kira, I hope you love your sign. I enjoyed putting this together. Thank you again for being here with me today, giving me a little bit of your time. I appreciate you every single time you show up. Love talking to you in the comments. So drop me one. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you're having a beautiful, blessed summer, enjoying your friends and your family, taking awesome trips, and just making memories. Gonna put out a couple more DIYs for you guys before I take my June trip. So until then, you guys be blessed, be safe, craft something beautiful today. Bye.